Oh, we look at here, people. We got another one. Yep. Hey, fishing addicts, this is the Fishing Addict, and guess what? It's time for Mystery Monday. I went ahead and upgraded to the Pro. Panfish and Trout. I wanted to see what it was like. We did 3 months of the regular, the cheapest box. This one here is a $39.95, I believe, $29.95 a month. It's supposed to be a $40 value. Of course, as always, let's open it up. It's got a ruler. You can go to the website. It's all listed on here. You go to mysterytacklebox.com, keeper, and upload your fish, and you might win. Let's see what kind of goodies we got this week. Of course, y'all know my favorite. Here we go. The sticker, Feeding Hungry Bass. You gotta love it. I love the stickers, just go figure. Here's the card with what's inside. Let's go over that real quick. You got a glow shot spoon, $7.99. Bait morsel from Karl, $6.99. A Z-Viber Micro is $6.49. H&H Pro Saka Late Spin, $5.99. Euro Tackle Euro Tube, $3.99. Bonehead Stump Bug. A Sandbar Aberdeen Hook. Burt Fishing Rig Twirl Tail Grub. Let's pull it out and see what we got. Let's see. Of course, we've always got the dibble with stuff inside. Bait Caster Blues. Right there. How to catch more fish in murky water. Hard swim baits for bass. Walleye crawler tips. Snook fishing 101. That's a snook right there, guys. Small crankbaits for panfish and trout. This is the panfish box. And they got some photos of some pretty good sized fish that people sent in. That's the little booklet. See what we got first here. The Glow Shot Spoon. This is a $7.99 spoon. I should be able to see that. It's got little lights that go right inside this slit. It pushes down in there with this little end and it lights up. Glow in the dark lures. They come out with everything. Here's your premier fishing hooks. Little fishing hooks here. Size number 4, just straight shank for panfish. Here's your Euro Tackle. This is S Pheromone Scented 8-pack, 1.75 inch from Euro Tackle. See if I can get it where y'all can see the colors. Right there it is. Yeah. That Euro Tackle Micro Finesses. That's $3.99, $4 for that. Here's a bone tackle. Bone heat tackle, made in the USA. Bone head, $3.49. Pretty good color. I'd say that would work for crappie probably. A rigged swirl tail by Burke. I'm trying to get the prices as we go. $2.29. Y'all can see just a little bitty grubs. Here's a Z Viber Micro. That thing is so small. It's got a single hook on the back and a treble hook you can replace it with. I don't even know if I could get fishing line on that thing, but it's a micro. You know that right there? That would probably be a bluegill killer. I kind of like it. Then we've got Karl's Amazing Baits. It's called a morsel. This is $7. 2 sets of treble hooks. Looks pretty good. Good looking colors. And then we've got Saculate Slayer. Molded eyes. Aberdeen hook. It's rigged and ready. Just hook it on and throw her. How much is that? Let's see. You're a Saculate. $6. It's got an extra bait on it. I need to just put a little more light. There we go. Alright guys, that's it for the Pro box. They have another one. We're going to do 3 months of this. We had quite a few more items in this. I would say this box here is more worth the money than the other one. That is August box. That's the Pro for Panfish and Trout. I mean, if nothing, you get a bigger cardboard box. Right, just comparison. And it has a few more things in it. We're gonna do another Temu unboxing. I'll show you. I'll just give you a peek preview. This is all plastics for crappie and panfish on this one. I did that plus a few other items which I'll go through when I open up the bag. That'll be a separate video. But those baits right there, I guess what we need to do is start using them. If anybody's used any of these baits in here, leave a comment below. I'm kind of interested on what we got. But anyway, guys, that's the mystery tackle box for August. We swapped the Pro, Panfish and Trout. Remember, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. See the hat? Football season is coming, guys. I hate it if anybody ain't a Vols fan. I bleed orange. Had to put that in there. Say hi to Marbles. That's one of our kittens. He's coming in here to get on the video. Look at him. Hey, hey. Say hey. He gonna get up here and knock everything down, guys. Anyway, that's the video for the Mystery Tackle Box Pro, Panfish and Trout. Y'all enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Remember, what's the channel's motto? Let's take a kid fishing. If you don't have a kid, borrow your brother's or sister's kid. If they ain't got a kid and you're a grandparent, take one of the grandkids. If you don't have no kids, leave a comment below. We'll find you a kid. But take a kid fishing, guys. It's better than the alternative. Get them off the TV. Not getting in politics, but all the stuff on TV just ain't any good. Go out and get the fresh air, country life, take them fishing. Subscribe to the channel. We'll go fishing together. If you don't have time, put the kids on it. The channel is kid friendly. Okay? We will not curse. If we do, you leave a comment, we'll correct that. Should be no cursing whatsoever on this channel. Pure kid friendly. It's all about getting the kids to enjoy some fishing, relaxing, stress relief. Y'all know the deal. All right, fishing addicts, until the next video. This is the Fishing Addict. We're out of here. Keep them lines tight.